All right, so this one is called bounce and dash. So we have to do just that. We have to bounce, then make a dash out of the bounce about when the music stops. Are we answering a question as well? Or so? Yes. So can we hear the question over? Wait, the first person to get out of the bounce about gets to answer the question. If the answer is incorrect, the correct answer will be shown on the screen.
What do you mean, get out? We have to come back through here?
Apparently.
Why are the ground freezing? Everything cold this man. Come, what's the question? Let's go. Where's the question?
I think it's when the music stops, it's supposed to come from outside.
But me not hear.
But if you're closer to the exit.
What? What two things you can? Two things you can never eat for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Oh.
But the music not stop yet. Oh.
Me can't hear the music.
But you just turn it back on after it stopped already. I am stockish. What's the question?
What two things you can have?
For breakfast? But never said it already, lunch and dinner.
Yeah, me answer it already. Ah.
Is that the right answer? Go back in.
But I'm not hearing no music. Yeah. The music have to stop. Yeah, so we have a find another way because
Time. What's the answer? What gets wetter the more it dries? So, all of that worrying, and you don't know the answer? So we go to the door for. Come back in.
what gets wetter the more it dries?
It's not paint.
What gets wetter the more it dries? I don't know.
What's the answer?
What?
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, a towel. The
Where's
more
my thing?
it dries. Oh.
See my thing there.
After me, I know.
Wait, no.
Get up now, man. Get up now. Incorrectly.
Wait, no, she come out before the music stopped.
I did not.
You did.
I did not.
You are such a crook. You come out before the music
Right.
stopped.
I want to come out to the studio, that's why.
That kind of need. That question I need. What word is spelled incorrectly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ha.
Should I
I'm
go back
tired.
in? I'll bounce out here. A phone is a phone. Is a phone? Is it a phone? Yay!
Yeah, but me didn't come out. She never even come inside and see me didn't come out.
This pose is not working.
coming inside. I'm waiting till the music stops. But she outside already.
What's the question?
Eh.
What's the question?
Oh, my
Ah.
shoes. Oh, my shoes just put on so.
Okay, I mean.
Yeah.
Wait.
Great question. You just answer that a while ago.
already. Rain!
What goes up but never.
Oh,
What goes up.
what goes up? Heat rises. What?
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 Age.
Age. Oh.
Let me say it before. Because the ladder was on the ground.
Fell off a 50-foot ladder.
The ladder was on the ground.
The ladder was on the ground.
Yeah, if it put on the ground and she fall off, she can't get her.
Is that right?
No, I don't think so. What's the answer? They're the same thing.
No. No. Is that the last question?
Please.
Say yes.
Please. One more. All right.
One more?
One more. All right, go.
Put it on your shoes. Question.
What starts with E and ends with E but only has one letter in it?
An envelope. Envelope could have 2 letters in there though. You don't know what else could be in it. Okay.
All right.
Great. That was so much fun. Come back. Your pants mess up. We'll be right back, guys.